Hello, welcome back to another knowledge bite of Did You Know? I love birds. Do you know what is the smallest bird? Here it is. It is a hummingbird. Oh, how beautiful it is. Let's learn more about it.
There are more than 325 unique hummingbird species in the world. The bee hummingbird is the smallest hummingbird species in the world and measures 2.25 inches. No other bird can fly like hummingbirds. They can fly forward, backward, and even upside down. Hummingbirds have no sense of smell. While they can't sniff out feeders, they do have good color vision. Some birds like the ruby-throated hummingbird prefer orange and red flowers. The hummingbirds bring the nectar found in feeders by moving their tongue in and out about 13 times per second. A hummingbird's brain makes up 4.2% of its weight, proportionally the largest of any kind. The average number of eggs laid by female hummingbirds is only 2. Hummingbirds have a very high metabolism and must eat all day long just to survive. They consume about half their body weight in bugs and nectar, feeding every 10 to 15 minutes and visiting 1,000 to 2,000 flowers throughout the day. The Rufous hummingbird has the longest migration of any hummingbird species. A hummingbird's maximum forward flight speed is 30 miles per hour. A hummingbird's wings beat between 50 to 200 flaps per second, depending on the direction of the flight, the purpose of their flight, and the surrounding air conditions. At rest, a hummingbird takes an average of 250 breaths per minute.